Today, I wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you on our integrated printing form that we made in collaboration with Confident Cannabis. So after speaking with a lot of our customers, we found there was a huge gap in between the data that needs to go on a label and the actual act of putting it on the label. A lot of times it's managed by downloading spreadsheets and attaching them to label templates, or manually entering or copying and pasting. And so our goal with this was to streamline that process and make it as simple as possible to label your products. So I'll give you a little lay of the land of what we're looking at here. On the right is just a label that I've created. It's a quick demo label that has some potencies, a link to a COA, the sample type, and the strain. And on the left are my print controls, which is where we're mostly going to be living here. So as at the top, you can see I have my label selected and the printer. Then down below, I have my batch, which is a sample batch associated with my sample account in Confident, and the samples that are attached to that. So as I go in here and as I select my different samples, we can see that the data on the label is updated as I'm changing. And that is not because I have downloaded a spreadsheet and this is pulling from it. This is talking directly to Confident and pulling in that data live. So as a result of that, one, we don't have to manage data as an intermediate step for labeling, but also that data is always up to date because we're constantly communicating with Confident and the data itself. So as I change my different strain here or my different sample, I can add any other data points that maybe Confident doesn't know or I can't know until print time, like what dispensary is going to. So if I plug in a name here, we can see that that also goes into the label. And once it looks good, I can hit print and move on. Say I'm looking for a sample within a larger batch than just here, I can filter this and get the same results. We can see that that data is still updated on the label, and I can change that data if necessary and then print again. So all this done, again, with the integration between TEKLYNX and Confident by talking directly to their data in this print form. If this is something that looks good and maybe something you want to implement in your business, give us a call or contact us through our website at teklynx.com, and we'll be able to talk to you and get it set up in your environment.